In part 1 and 2 of this series, the mappings were done automatically. This time, a dataset with some random colors is imported using manual mappings. Go to the Tags tab page for viewing the tags from the dataset. As you can see, it is automatically set to be a new tag group because no matching one is found. However, we would like to add the new colors to the existing ones on the system. In order to do so, we clear the mappings. Next, we select the new colors and set the existing colors tag group as parent. The parent-child button is used for that. Because the dataset in this example does not contain any file or folder, we go to the Finish tab page. The summary shows that 2 items are not mapped. This is okay. It is not necessary to map everything. After the run of import, the new colors are present on your system, as illustrated on the right side showing the Explorer.